This is Mahendran Subramania, the founder of Business Arena 365. We bring you the success stories of startups from the business owners themselves to understand the challenges and how to overcome these challenges. Today we have with us Mr. Sanjay Chadawar, who is a well-known name in the parenting industry. Hi Sanjay, how are you? Thank you so much for giving me time.
Thanks.
It was so nice of you कि आपने एकदम टाइम दे दिया मुझे. मैंने ऐसे ही कॉल किया था आपको.
नहीं, मैंने भी सोचा कि नहीं, if it can reach to the masses, the
Yeah.
concept कि what is the science behind the parenting. Just like we say that there is a science for everything.
Right.
So there is a science for parenting also, which we
Okay.
should be aware, and it is available also.
Okay.
If we think somewhere we think कि is there science or not? Sometimes people always call whether child development is art or science.
Okay.
So I always say till understanding it is a science. What is brain, how it function, how
How
it
it
works,
develops.
and how it is growth happen, and what is the mean or difference between growth and development.
Okay.
Growth, which I always term, it is a natural process. Once the child is conceived, it goes and it till the death. That is a growth.
Okay.
But development is a cautious. For
Uh-huh.
that you have to put the effort.
Effort.
But that effort everybody is putting, but according to their own knowledge which they had acquired
Okay.
in the life span of being with parent, being in society, and that.
Whatever they gathered, you mean to say.
दे नॉर्मली गैदर कि इन्हें बोलते
इधर से उधर से थोड़ा बहुत।
हाँ, ये अपने लाइफ में
ये
यहाँ
हुआ
गैदर
था।
किया, बच्चा है तो उससे
हाँ।
बात करो, या बच्चे को थोड़ा सा ABCD सिखा दो, बच्चों को ये करा दो,
बराबर।
बस दैट लेवल.
But that is not.
That is not the real. That is
Parenting.
natural. हाँ.
That is just your
Upbringing.
Upbringing,
Simple
okay.
upbringing.
Simple
Simple
upbringing,
upbringing with your limited
Yeah.
knowledge. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, आप कितना दे सकते हैं, unless and until you have, because science leverage the life. If you know it, गाड़ी चलाने का भी हो, कुछ भी हो, it is a science. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, पहले बैलगाड़ी चलाने के लिए कोई तुमको ट्रेनिंग लेने का जरूरत नहीं था. जब तक गांव में भी बैलगाड़ी है, गांव में ट्रैक्टर है, पर वही बैलगाड़ी अगर आप हाईवे पे लेके आते हैं, भले ऑफिशियली यू डोंट हैव टू हैव अ लाइसेंस, बट यू हैव टू हैव अ जनरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि कहाँ पे गाड़ी पलटाना, कैसे पलटाना, ऑन मार्च लगा रहे तो कैसे देखना.
It is totally different skills required.
हाँ,
To manage.
100% skill also needed, and knowledge
Knowledge
also
is
needed.
also required. Yes.
Both. Therefore, I say knowing is science, but while implementing with the child,
Okay.
it is an art.
Art. Okay.
Because every child is different.
True. Very true. Very true.
And they are completely out of the box. तुम बच्चा आने के पहले 1000 किताब पढ़ के भी बैठोगे solution with lakhs of, and Google लेके बैठोगे तो भी तुम्हारा बच्चा उसमें से कुछ अलग ही करेगा.
True. Very true. That is.
Because everybody is born
That is
unique.
natural. Yeah, everybody is born unique.
Ah.
Very well said. So, how did you come into this field, Sanjay?
Field of
It's a very interesting field.
might be little bit background and little bit the way we have been grown. And I am from basically Nagpur.
Okay.
There I had been for till 7th standard. Then my father was in insurance company. We
Okay.
transferred to Nagpur,
Okay.
Akola, Amravati. But
Transfer at different places.
different places, seen different, and why people think, जैसे बोलते हैं ये ऐसा क्यों सोचता है, तो either it is a part of psychology or it is a part of brain.
Brain, yeah.
But I used to always think it's a brain is a very important aspect,
Yeah.
need to be understood. पर समझ नहीं रहा था कि इसको कैसे पढ़े, क्या करे, कुछ इन्हें there was no option. Akola being a small town, or might be I was not having that exposure to the कि क्या करना चाहिए. So then finally I started studying engineering at Shegao Engineering College.
So
और
good.
तो वहाँ पे I started reading the science fiction, science novels, and magazines, and that in the library. Basically, I am an outstanding student.
Right.
What is your understanding of outstanding?
My case is different.
Hey, what do you mean by outstanding?
One does who does well in his studies, in his school and class.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah,
So,
but I was outstanding, standing outside the class,
so I was same.
inside the class,
So this entrepreneurship cannot be learned in the class.
inside the class,
Inside the class, it has to be always outstanding.
outside the room.
So in schooling days also, I used to be outstanding. There I got to come to know, and I was having a very certain level fear about. Since it is August,
Yeah.
so in 6th August, America dropped the bomb on Japan,
Okay.
and then again one nuclear bomb. And for me, the map of geography was like that on the paper. America is on this side, Japan is on this side. And I used to always think, by mistake अगर गड़बड़ हो गया होता तो अगर इंडिया पे गिरता तो कैसा होता. तो आई यूज्ड टू गेट फियर, बट फॉर्चुनेटली आउटस्टैंड होने की वजह से टीचर ने एक बार मेरे को प्रिंसिपल के रूम में बैठाया,
Oh.
खड़े रहने को बोला. वहाँ पे ग्लोब था. देन डे आई कम टू नो ग्लोब में ये अमेरिका और जापान तो बाजू बाजू वाले देश है यार, मैं क्यों चिंता करूँ. तो आई फील
Okay.
जस्ट अ स्मॉल नॉलेज
Yeah.
फैक्ट कि ये दोनों
Change
बाजू
total.
है एंड द फियर गोes.
Goes.
Same with the
Gone.
child development or anything. नहीं, if you know swimming, then you don't have a fear कि मैं पानी में गिरा तो क्या होगा.
Yeah.
If you know if you learn the properly driving, then and have a license, you don't have a fear of driving anywhere.
Anywhere, yes.
Same way. Previously, it was the child development or kind of thing informally, since we used to stay in joint family.
Okay.
Various people in the house
All
were
coming and
participating in the thing,
contributing the
contribute
development.
effortlessly.
Effortlessly.
And a mother has to take of the feed the child and clean the and that kind of thing. दादी के साथ जाके वो पूजा में मंत्र सीख जाएगा, पूजा अच्छे अच्छे
Storytelling and all.
जाएगा, हो जाएगा. दादाजी के साथ मार्केट में घूम के आएगा, खेतों में जाके आएगा, ये उसका हो जाता था. चाचा चाची है तो उनके साथ वो और कहीं घूमने जाता था, उसको प्यार
और कुछ
दुला सब
activity,
मिलता
सब मिल
था,
जाता
सब मिलता. और वी यूज्ड टू स्टे फर्स्ट फ्लोर सेकंड फ्लोर, तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर में उसको खेलने को फिजिकल आज एक्टिविटीज सब मिल जाती थी. तो ये होता था ऑटोमेटिकली, एफर्टलेस वे ऑफ लर्निंग हो जाता था.
Yes.
बिकॉज एक स्टेटमेंट बहुत समझना है, ये चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट ब्रेन पावरफुल है बट डिपेंड अपॉन सेंसरी ऑर्गन इंफॉर्मेशन. अगर वो इंफॉर्मेशन ही नहीं मिल रही, अगर अभी अपन 10/10 में रह रहे और उसको इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिल रही है, इट विल गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड.
Right. He has to be open to the world.
वर्ल्ड, बट दैट इज बिकमिंग ओनली द गैजेट, मोबाइल.
Yeah, you're restricting yourself. It is shrinking, in fact.
सिंक है नहीं, इंफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है पर गैजेट के साथ साइड इफेक्ट आ रहे हैं.
Side effect आ रहा है.
Nowadays, in early introduction of the gadget to the child, it is causing brain
More
problem,
damage.
social problem,
It's causing more damage. I
more
think.
damage. So we have to be aware.
Yeah, it's good that you are doing such a wonderful job. पहले क्या जॉइंट फैमिली होता तो उतना ये नहीं होता,
Effortless.
वो एक्टिविटी ऑटोमेटिक बच्चा सीखता था. अभी क्या बच्चा इज लेफ्ट अलोन
हाँ.
एंड ऑल दिस न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज एंड बोथ द पेरेंट्स वर्किंग, they hardly have time and they hardly also do not have the required expertise. and all.
Expertise and
Knowledge.
backing
Yeah.
नहीं है.
ये
डे केयर
mother
में डालना
learning,
पड़ता है, इधर
हाँ.
से लाना पड़ता है, उधर से करना पड़ता
Yeah,
है.
वो सब. So it is a very good thing that you're doing. So
And another part in 50 year back, the requirement of so called brain development और need, यानी अगर बोलते ना हमारे दादाजी के वक्त अगर 10th स्टैंडर्ड पास हो गए तो भी उनको जॉब भी लग सकता
हाँ,
था
काम भी कर-
और काम भी हो जाता था.
आराम से
और अगर टाइपिस्ट करके लगे तो टाइपिस्ट करके रिटायर भी होते थे, सब बराबर चलता
बराबर
था.
everything was, but not.
फिर 30 ईयर बैक एक डिग्री हो तो काम चल जाता था.
Yes.
10-20 ईयर बैक इन्हें एक डबल ग्रेजुएशन हो,
बराबर.
एमबीए कर लिया तो तुम्हारा जॉब फिक्स हो जाता था. पर आज डिग्री करो, एमबीए करो, 2 करो तो भी नहीं होता है.
नहीं होता.
रिक्वायरमेंट इज इंक्रीजिंग.
Yeah, things are evolving differently.
हाँ, बिकॉज ऑफ ओपन
Information available at fingertips.
and we had adopted the economical model of the free economy. So there in simple language it is a profit oriented industry. So everybody want less people with more profit.
More profit.
So then that person has to be that much capable
Capable
handling
of
of
handling more
multitasking.
multitasking. Yes, yes.
And that is the phenomena of brain.
Okay.
unless and until cognitive process of brain is developed, infrastructure, just like we talk about the external infrastructure, and same way it is a brain infrastructure which is unseen, untapped. But early age, it is effortless for parent,
It was natural. It's come very natural.
natural. Because here the child asks a number of questions.
Yeah.
And previously it
parent
was
not-
answered by many.
Yeah, there was answer. Yes.
Now there is no one to
answer,
ask.
yeah. So, what is your success story like? You've been in this industry for quite some time. How long you been in this?
27 years to
Wow.
be
Precise.
officially taking a classes, but
Yeah.
understanding brain before that 10 year also you can say, because when I was engineering, I used to give a paper presentation on molecular based electronic devices. Just like Elon Musk is thinking of chip, putting a chip in the brain so that the Alzheimer people can be taken care
Care
of,
of.
kind of thing. So I also being little bit special child or called I also have a polio. I also was thinking कि can it be technology can support the
Support
human
this.
being and a brain in a way, but in 80s and 90s that open thought and open process was not happening. But whenever I have given a presentation, some appreciated and some thought कि brain is a biological part, it should be studied the biology.
Biology, yeah.
And I was thinking कि computer has been invented by looking to how the brain operates.
Yes.
So how you can stop saying कि brain is not, you can segregate brain is a biological and this, it cannot be.
Yes.
It has to be understood.
There are a lot of success stories. Any particular success story that you would like to share?
In the life of 27 year of formal parenting taking classes, if you ask me in number of type of success stories, it is there. But I can list out some.
Maybe one or two stories.
One of the latest story that is in COVID period, parent has given a gadget to the children unknowingly. Some because of the schooling and some because of because you
No,
cannot send a child outside. You have to engage, but that has shown the very bad effect on the child brain development and social behavior also. And we are on the social media, but when we go into the crowd, they are not comfortable. They are not able to mix with each other. They are not
Get agitated.
Yeah, they get agitated and social friendly behavior. So that was the case. One of the case I got from the Karnataka near about town. So when she called, ki my 5-year child is not able to do this, and people are diagnosed like that, and the school is also not able to take care. In the school, he has to be kept separate, and one attendant need to be there. Otherwise, the scenario was like they have to call the parent and they have to take the child, send him back. And it was about to that कि अभी इसको निकालो स्कूल से, बिकॉज उसके वजह से बाकी के सब बच्चों का एजुकेशन का अफेक्ट हो रहा था और माहौल भी हो रहा था. आई ऑलवेज से पेरेंट कि ये कुछ भी हो, यू लिस्ट आउट ऑल द बिहेवियरल चेंज कैन बी टेकन केयर with the help of the techniques which we
have
do.
developed.
So that is, and that start with the brain. And my aspect is like Dr. Abdul Kalam said, ignited minds. So it is like that. Brain cell, the phenomena of brain cell. Whatever the information you give it to the brain and brain cell, it's activated. But that leads to the development. Otherwise, in a simple way, I always say food is for body, mind, heart and soul. For body we are aware. हर 2 घंटे बाद बच्चों को खिला देते हैं और करते बराबर देखते, खाया नहीं तो, बट फूड फॉर ब्रेन देखते नहीं.
Right.
क्योंकि न्यूरॉन्स की डेफिनेशन है, न्यूरॉन्स विच आर फायर्ड आर वायर्ड. पर अगर आप दोगे नहीं और वो वायरिंग नहीं होगी कॉग्निटिव प्रोसेस, ही विल बी स्टार्विंग. So food starving we can understand, but brain starving is also equally like food starving. तो उसको
Very
क्या
important for development.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड अर्ली स्टेज ये नेटवर्क करके रखना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का. आई एम फ्रॉम पुणे ना, ऐसे इंजर्ड जाने के लिए एक ही ब्रिज बनाया. तो रोज 10 बोलते हैं ना 10,000 गाड़ी उधर से जा रही है और इधर से आ रही है, तो वो तो ट्रैफिक जाम होता है। तो आप एक ही कॉग्निटिव लिंक करके रखोगे बच्चों में ब्रेन का, तो उसके भी थॉट प्रोसेस का ये हो जाएगा,
Correct.
एंड देन ही इज बी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड। बट अकॉर्डिंग टू होल ब्रेन कंसेप्ट मैंने उसको गाइड किया, वो पेरेंट को बोला यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द होल ट्रेनिंग
Process.
whole training process, no shortcut, no medicine. I do with a non-medical, whatever medicine they are taking as prescribed by doctor, I say continue.
Continue.
Give a regular show to the doctor. If he reduce, follow that procedure. But from my side there will be no medicine, but I'll give you various tips and various tools also, like a flashcard, dot card, encyclopedia cards, these are, and all other physical activity which is associated.
Okay.
Is detailed, and I have taken care within a span of 2 to 3 months.
Oh, that's
The
very short.
child's behavior, so he was not social, toilet training was not there proper. Again, and not able to speak to anyone, no eye to eye contact. I can list out n number of them. No proper sleep, not about child and not about the mother. Mother was going under the depression kind of thing, taking a pills to sleep, because always not able to sleep is sleepless night. For one day you can assume,
Yeah.
2 days you can assume, but
After 3-4 days, it starts affecting your health.
physical and mental health
Mental
also.
health,
So she was also out of order in a
Out of
sense.
order, okay.
But once with the techniques, within a 2-3 1 step by step, one thing started happening, and it has become, now that child is able to speak the whole sentences, statement, and since they are on the border, you can understand border people, they, at their home, Dadi and Dada speak in Telugu, some
Okay.
speak in
Both
Kannada,
languages.
and then Marathi, Hindi, English. So yesterday there was a case that दादी से कि पोहा बन गया, फिनिश हो गया, तो नहीं, ही वाज आस्किंग दादी पोहा फिनिश हुआ क्या, तो she was not able to understand. Then in Telugu, I think what is called finish हो गया, तो అయిపోయింది, पोहा हो गया क्या, అయిపోయింది, then that daddy understood and they got the communication.
Wonderful,
So
wonderful.
that was the happiest moment for the grandparent also, to have a communication with the child. Otherwise, beside mother, no one was able to understand his language, and he was not behaving according to, not responding to others. kind of
natural
thing.
way.
So for me, helping a parent to calm down, cool down, and get the tuning with the child is the
Biggest satisfaction.
biggest satisfaction.
Great. So, what are your advice to the parents, the new parents,
Rather, I
or those who are going to become parents shortly?
that was my thing. Technically, इन्हें जैसे बोलते हैं ना, गर्भ संस्कार is known for Indian. There is nothing like Abhimanyu. He was given the how to break the Chakravyuh in the thing. But यहाँ पे people always forget कि ये किसने दिया, तो ये अर्जुन ने बताया. And as a father has also contributed in the child development right from pregnancy. तो अपने जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट, इन्हें ये मदर को एक गर्भ संस्कार क्लास लगा दो कि फिनिश, तो एक बार बोल दो तो हो जाएगा, नहीं, ये इट इज अ प्रोसेस, एंड बोथ एटलीस्ट टू बी पेरेंट, इन्हें फादर मदर, इन्हें दे नीड टू, इन्हें कभी कभी आजकल कपल ही बोलने का आदत हो गया है, बट वो कपल नहीं, नाउ आई से यू आर नॉट कपल, now you are graduated, already promoted, only official letter has to be come after 9 months that you are now you are a parent, so now you are a mother, so you have to start thinking on that level. But 16 संस्कारों में बोला जाए तो गर्भ पूर्व संस्कार से it is a better way to go. मेरा सिंपल है, मर्सिडीज लेने के बाद तुम वो मर्सिडीज पे गाड़ी चलाना नहीं सीखते, बिकॉज तुम्हारे को ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं भी लग जाएगा तो उसका खर्चा और ये नहीं हो सकता. फिर मर्सिडीज के बारे में इतना सोचते हो तो बच्चे के बारे में लाइफ, और बच्चा नहीं है, इफ़ यू थिंक इट इज़ अ वंश वे, यानी वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
एनीथिंग यानी जेनेटिकली
Dynasty,
कैरी फॉरवर्ड,
yeah.
डायनेस्टी कैरी फॉरवर्ड, डीएनए कैरी फॉरवर्ड करता है, नॉलेज कैरी फॉरवर्ड करता है, तो उसके बारे में कितना सोचना चाहिए और कब से सोचना चाहिए. तो इट इज़ लाइक दॅट. आणि इन मराठी इट इज आणि जिजामाता जसे बोलते ना, अंबे माताला साकडं घालायची की मला असं पुत्र दे. तर वी नीड टू हॅव अ क्लिअर आयडियाज व्हॉट आर द क्वालिटीज विच वी वॉन्टेड टू सी.
Child.
बिकॉज कंप्यूटर अगर 15 अगस्त को सेल था तो 50 कंप्यूटर लेके आए, सबके कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सेम रहते, पर 10 साल बाद हर एक का अलग हो जाता है.
अलग हो
क्यों? आपने कैसा इनपुट दिया उस पर डिपेंड है. इट इज़ अ प्रोसेस ऑफ इनपुट एंड आउटपुट.
Input and output, yes.
In anthropology, we learn one thing. One is a biological age. जैसे मैंने बताया कि after born to the death, that is biological. One is a bone age.
Okay.
It is called. And one is a dental age. इसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता, इसका वो प्रोसेस चालू रहता है.
चालू होता है.
बट वन इज अ ब्रेन और न्यूरोलॉजिकल एज दैट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड अपॉन द इनपुट एंड आउटपुट प्रोसेस.
Wow.
अगर इनपुट अच्छा गया, आउटपुट अच्छा. इनपुट नहीं अच्छा गया,
Directly related to.
यस, इन एंड आउट. क्योंकि प्रोसेसर बराबर है, प्रोसेसर का
क्या
कोई
what you
दिक्कत नहीं.
feed into it that matters.
And I sometimes nowadays I call, because I am the I do the brain analysis also. I call OTP, occipital temporal and parietal lobe. तो ये OTP है, तो OTP बराबर डालोगे तो आउटपुट बराबर आएगा. ये प्रोसेसर को, हाँ प्रोसेसर वो लॉजिकल थिंकिंग का तो उसका कोई नहीं, वो तो लगाने वाला है.
Wow.
पर बिकॉज ब्रेन इज डिजाइन टू सक्सेस, वो रास्ता निकालेगा ही. पर इनपुट अच्छा है तो रास्ता अच्छा निकलेगा, इनपुट गड़बड़ है तो भी वो अच्छा निकल की प्रॉब्लम 50-50 हो जाएगा. क्योंकि वो अपना लाइफ में सक्सेस
Success.
होना ही है वो, बिकॉज दैट्स अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस ऑफ.
So that's great to know so much about parenting.
Yeah.
Thanks. So that's nice. So let's catch up sometime.
या
We'll meet up again. We'll see what. So thanks for giving your time. Take
Thanks.
care. God bless.
गॉड